Afternoon to our Madam Metiana. Today we are going to present about stationary point. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Sharizam Chan. My matrix number is 07 DTK 23F 1024. And my other teammates is Muklis bin Aegis. The matrix number is 07 DTK 23F 1028. And my other teammate is Muhammad Fikri Aiman bin Mahadi 07 DTK 23F 1034. In this presentation, we are gonna solve one question that we choose in the class using a three-step, which is turning point, nature, and sketch. The question that we choose is question 8, which is the equation is y equal to x power by 3 negative 6x square plus 9x plus 5. First of all, we're gonna do step 1, which is a turning point. First of all, we are gonna do differentiate y to dy dx. So the value that we get is 3x square negative 12x plus 9. After that, we subsequently set up as a quadratic equation by using a calculator. The value that we get is x1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 1. After that, we use the first equation, but we change the value by using a quadratic equation that we get before this, which is when x equal to 3, the equation is gonna change, which is 3 power by 3 negative 6 multiply 3 square plus 9 multiply 3 plus 5. The value that we get is 5. But we are gonna do the same thing, but change the value x equal to 1, which is the equation that we get 1 power by 3 negative 6 multiply 1 square plus 9 multiply by 1 and plus 5. The value that we get is 9. After that, we are gonna get a stationary point, which is the 3, 5 is a minimum point, and y9 is inflection.
Moving on to the next step, which is nature. From the equation x powered by 3 minus 6x square plus 9x plus 5, we apply the differentiate step. We get 3x square minus 12x plus 9, and then apply the second order differentiate. We get 6x minus 12. When x equal to 3, we replace x in second order differentiate. 6 multiplied by 3 minus 12, we got 6. When 6 greater than 0, we get a minimum point, which is the line will looks like a smiling mouth. When x equal to 1, we replace x in second order differentiate. 6 multiplied by 1 minus 12, we get negative 6. When 6 less than 0, we get the maximum point, which is the line looks like set mouth.
Now we're moving on into the step 3, which is sketch. Just now, my friend already have been solved how to find the turning point and nature. To find the plot to sketch the graph, we need to find the x and y intercept in the graph. So now moving into the x-intercept, when you want to find x-intercept, y must be equal to 0. When the equation y equal to x power by 3 minus 6x square plus 9x plus 5, it will be 0 equal to x power by 3 minus 6x square plus 9x plus 5. When we put all this value into the calculator, when the equation is ax power by 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, x1 will be negative 0.425, x2 will be 3.213, and lastly the x3 equal to 3.213. Now we're moving on into the y-intercept. When we want to find the y-intercept, it will be the opposite to find the x-intercept. When x-intercept, y equal to 0, but when we want to find the y-intercept, the x gonna be 0. So in the equation, all value that x will be placed by 0. Now, as the equation that we got just now, it will be y equal to 0 power by 3 minus 6 multiplied by 0 square plus 9 multiplied by 0 plus 5. After we do the calculation, y will be equal to 5. Now we will be moving on the graph. Since me and my friend already calculated the turning point, the nature and the sketch, and also have analyzed which is the maximum point and minimum point, we're gonna put all the input data we have been calculated into these apps called GeoGebra apps. This GeoGebra will automatically sketch the graph by the input that you have been put in. That's all from us. I hope you all can understand how we can get the turning point, nature, and sketch. I also hope you guys can understand what are we explaining to you from question 8. So lastly, don't forget to subscribe and like our video.